Hi class, welcome to today's math lesson. We are finishing up subtraction this week, so I think we're getting pretty good at it, but today we are only going to focus on starting with the number 10. So we are subtracting to take apart 10. We're going to use counters, or you can just draw for this problem. Alright, so let's look at our volleyball net. And remember, we're starting with 10 this whole lesson, so every problem starts with the big number 10. All right, there are 10 players playing volleyball. So let's put 10 players. You can draw circles, you can have your counters, whichever you would like. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's our 10. We're going to trace that 10. Remember, when we do subtraction, we start with our big number. The big number goes in the first blank. After that big number, we trace our minus sign. Then it says that 4 players leave. So we're going to cross out 4 of our players. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 minus or take away 4. Trace our equal sign. Now, how many are still playing? Let's go back up and count those players that are still there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 10 minus 4 equals 6. All right, let's flip our page and practice some more subtracting from 10. We're going to keep the sports theme. Let's look at number 1. They already did the numbers for us. We just have to solve. So we have 10 soccer balls. How many are crossed out? So 10 minus, they crossed out 8. Now we have to find how many soccer balls are left. Keep that equal sign. Now go up and count the last ones left. 10 minus 8 equals 2. 10 minus 8 equals 2. All right, let's go to number 2. Let's do this one by ourselves. They haven't told us how many they crossed out. They put the 10 for us. We're going to trace the minus. Now, how many basketballs did they cross out? 1, 2, 3. 10 minus 3. Trace our equal sign. How many basketballs are still there? Ten minus 3 equals 7. Go to number 3. We're going to do another one. Start with 10. Trace our minus. Count how many are crossed out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 minus 5. Equal sign. How many baseballs are left? 5, the same number. If we subtract a number and get the same number, if we subtract 5 and equals 5, that means 5 is half of 10. That's just an extra fact we can help ourselves. If it's half of that number, whatever we're subtracting is going to be the same as what it equals. All right, skip on your own. You're going to do that by yourself after. Now let's go to problem solving. All right, there are 10 lacrosse sticks. They've already got the 10 for us. Trace our minus sign because only 6 players showed up to play. So draw an X on 6 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 minus 6. Trace our equal sign. How many lacrosse sticks are left that didn't get picked up by a player? Go back up and count. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 10 take away 6 equals 4. Good job. All right, guys, go ahead and finish on your own and then do the homework pages. I'll see your answers on Schoology.